Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the application. So to check that, go to App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok. And if you have the update button instead of the open button, just go ahead and click on that update button and wait until it is done updating. And once it is done updating, just go ahead and check when, if the issue has been fixed. Okay? So if that method doesn't work for you, what you can try is to, if you're using Android device, okay, is to clear your cache on TikTok, okay? So you can do that by going to your settings, finding the, I think, application management, or find the TikTok application on settings, then click on that and find the clear cache option, okay? So now, once you've done that, just go ahead and check again if the issue has been fixed. If that doesn't still work, what you can do is to uninstall the application. So to do that, just go ahead and long press on TikTok, then click on the minus icon and click on delete app. Okay, so once you've deleted the TikTok, just go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok and reinstall it back. And if that doesn't still work, what you can do is to just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Then click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down, click on Report a Problem. Okay, so now just go ahead and let's just go ahead and check where we can click on Submit a Report. Okay, so here once you've clicked on the Submit a Report, just go ahead and make a message for TikTok support. So for example, that good day, I would like to ask for assistance regarding my issue because I don't have the fixed photo mode on my TikTok account. Okay, so I'm hoping for your assistance, just like that message. Okay, and once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the submit button. And once you've clicked on the submit button, just go ahead and wait for their response. Okay, and once you receive their response, they should provide you with further assistance. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.